is my favorite piece out of the haul. Like, I couldn't wait to get this dress specifically. If you're watching this, go get it. Period.
Pretty little savage, classy never average, bougie little booty, I'm your nigga favorite cutie. Baddie with a bag, yeah, I keep these hoes mad. Bust down, boss, bitch, I talk my shit, no cap.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sydejia and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a Shein trial haul. I have some vacation pieces, some bathing suits, dresses, and heels, and just some cute outfits. So if you guys would like to see, then stay tuned and keep watching. I do post frequently, so be sure to turn your post notifications on and like, comment, and subscribe so that you can join the game. And yes, guys, I'm so excited because I love Shein trial hauls. I love Shein, and all these pieces are just bomb. So let's get into it. So the first thing I have on is this shirt. It's just a white crop top, and it has like the string right here, and you just tie it to secure it. And I was able to basically tie it so that it was able to fit my body and my chest. And yeah, it's really cute. It fits well, and you guys can see the type of fabric it is. It's stretchy, and yeah, I really like this top. Next, I have these pants. I have these green pants. They're like bell bottoms at the bottom, so they flare. They're a little bit loose. If I roll them, it makes it look a little bit better, but other than that, they are a little bit on the looser side, but these are still cute. So the next outfit I just have this black shirt, and it looks real plain in the front. It has like a triangle cut at the bottom, and it's a turtleneck as well. So it looks really plain until you turn around, and you see it has the back open, and it has two strings so that you're able to tie it to fit your body. And yeah, it's actually like a thick material, so this will be okay to wear in the winter too. And then I have this skirt, and the skirt also comes with strings, and the strings is so that you're able to make it as short or as long as you want it. So yeah, this doesn't come together, but I put it together because it looks really good. Next item I'm going to show you guys is this black top. It has sheer sleeves, and I can't tell if it's supposed to be off the shoulder or not. I feel like you can wear like this, or you can wear like this. I don't know. I don't remember how it was on the website, but I do know it kind of gives like corset, but not really corset, because it's like cotton fabric, but you guys can see the detailing on it. It has these lines. In the back, just like that. So yeah, I actually like this. This is really cute for when I'm going out, and I just have on the same skirt, and this is still a cute outfit. This is a cute going outfit, or going to dinner, on a date night or something. So the next outfit I'm going to be showing you guys is these shorts. These shorts, they're cute. They're just not fitting me how I wanted them to. They're a little bit on a loose side. You guys can see the gaps in the back. Yeah, they're a little bit loose on me, and then they come with a belt. And the belt's pretty long too, but that's because my waist is small. And yeah, these aren't real pockets right here. They just have the pocket flaps. Yeah, these shorts don't have any pockets. I think that I can still work with them, even though they're a little bit big, but they're not that flattering on me. And then I got this sheer turtleneck. It's like orange and brown, and it actually, on the website, the shirt and the pants were on the model, so that's why I just bought the outfit together like this, but it didn't come together. And it's actually supposed to be a turtleneck, but I guess my neck is so skinny that it's just falling right down. But yeah, I really like the shirt. The shirt's a 10 out of 10, and it comes with thumb holes too, which I love. So the next item I have is this crop top. It's a long sleeve and it's sheer, and it's just not it because I think I got the wrong size, and it's just, no, I can't go out like that. And the sleeves are too short, so yeah, it's just not fitting me right. I'm not I think I got an extra small. I got everything in extra small, so this must be extra small. So for this shirt, I probably need a small, and that's because like my boobs are kind of big for a girl my size, so I'm not surprised. But yeah, I don't think I can keep this. I'll either return it or give it away because I don't like how it looks. Next, I have these orange high-waisted pants, and they flare at the bottom, and these fit way better than the green ones. So I really like these. I would rate these a 10 out of 10. I actually probably get these in more colors because they making my body look real good. So yeah, I really like these, and the fabric is thick, so these are gonna be good for the winter. The next item I have is this white crop top, and I actually bought this shirt to go with these pants. It looks good, but I'm not sure if I'll wear it together. I really like the shirt. I like how it fits. I like how it has the pockets. Like, that's the best part, is the pockets. And it comes with a collar as well, and it's loose. So yeah, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. Next, I got this black shirt, and it has like lace trimming on the side and on the bottom. And you just button it in the back, and the straps are adjustable too, because before I adjusted the straps, it was pretty big. So when you adjust the straps, it'll fit perfect. But I really like this, and you don't need a bra with it. Well, next I have this white shirt, and honestly I don't know if I'm wearing it right, so I'm gonna insert a picture. But you just tie it in the back, and then it has like the scrunchy stretchy band, and then it has like the normal band. And this is a type of texture that's like a men's button-up shirt, so it's really, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm wearing it right. It's like the texture of a men's button up, so it's not stretchy, and you guys can see it keep on like sliding down. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to insert the picture of how it was on the website. But other than that, it's doable. I actually think you probably could wear it multiple different ways. This is the next shirt that I have. I'm wearing it off the shoulder because that's how it looks good on me, but when I wear it like this, it just looks, I don't like that. So I'll probably just wear it like this. And I don't know if it's because, you know, it doesn't fit me right, I'm not sure, but I like it better like this. The sleeves are nice and long, which I like because I have long arms, so I always have trouble with long sleeve shirts. But yeah, I really like the sleeves on this, and it just has a knot in the middle. And yeah, it's kind of see-through, so you will need to wear something under there, or at least nipple covers or something. But other than that, this is a nice shirt. The next item I have is this long butterfly dress, and I really like this. It's so cute. and it's sheer, so you can see through it. And it does have a turtleneck, and it comes with thumb holes. And yeah, this is super cute. I really like this. And it also comes with the strings at the bottom, so I can actually make it as short as I want it. So if I wanted to wear it like this. Yes, and then you can adjust the side and you can wear it like this, which this is how I'm gonna be wearing it, because y'all already know. If y'all see my other hauls, y'all already know how I am. So yeah, I definitely will be wearing it like this. Yeah, I can't wait for vacay, because this might be the one. This is my favorite piece out of the haul. Like, I couldn't wait to get this dress specifically. So yeah, I got these clothes because I'm going to Cali at the end of the month. So if you guys would like to see a Cali vlog, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I really can't wait to wear this. Like, this is probably gonna be my after I get off the plane outfit, because I already got my plane outfit. And then when I get off the plane outfit, this might be the one. And then the go eat outfit. So yeah, I got, like, it's like a 3-day trip, but I'm taking everything because I'm not going to sleep. Oh, what this is the next outfit, and it's a dress. And I don't really do color, but I was feeling like I should start doing color because one, I'm gonna be on vacation, so might as well get out of my comfort zone. But I really like this dress. It fits really good on my body. Bless you. So this is the next dress that I have, and I really love this. It's definitely giving grown woman vibes, and it fits my body very nice. Yeah, and it goes all the way down to the bottom, like past my feet. So I'm definitely gonna need to wear heels because I'm kind of short. And it has a slit down the side too. And I love the slits down the side. I think that's like sexy or something. So I just like that. So now we're gonna get into bathing suits. The first bathing suit I have is this purple bikini, and it's like a metallic. It is definitely giving mermaid. I love it. It has like purple snake print on there, and same with the bottoms. And it has like this, you guys can see the detailing on the side, so I really like that. And yeah, this is the bathing suit. Okay guys, so the next bathing suit I have is this yellow dragon bathing suit. I love this one. It fits really good, and the bottoms are cheeky, so I'm not really gonna show too much of that, but yeah. And then you get to tie it in the back too, so I really like that. It's like an extra detailing, so it's not like a basic bathing suit. But yes, this is one of my favorites. I love it. And then it has like these little hoops on the side, and you get to tie it on the side. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10. I love the color on my skin, and yeah, this is everything. So this is the next bathing suit. It's this hot pink one piece, and it also has a string like the last one, so that I'm able to tie it around the waist. And honestly, this is not my favorite. I don't dislike it, but it's just awkward to me. I don't like how it fits. See, like the bottom, I just don't like that. It's not comfortable. But yes, this is the back. It's not terrible, but it's not my favorite. the next bathing suit I have is this orange strapless bathing suit. This one is so cute. It's definitely one of my favorites, mostly because of the color. This one, you can adjust the bottom, so you can make them like this or like this, like regular ones. And you can do the same in the back as well. So yeah, I really like this bathing suit, and it fits well. And then you guys can see the detail in the front. So next I have this bathing suit cover, and it's white, and you just tie it on the side. And I love this. This is definitely giving beach vibes. This is so cute. I had to get it when I saw it. One more bathing suit cover, and it's just this black mesh kind of like oversized shirt. And I'm gonna be so real with y'all, I will wear this to the club as a dress. And that's why I got it. Okay, because not only is it a bathing suit cover, but come on now, you put on some black, like you put something black under here. It's a club fit. Just wait. Follow me on Instagram at Sydejia. Put it right there and watch. So last but not least, I'm gonna be showing you guys the heels that I got. And the first pair are these white square toe heels, and they're like strappy, and they have a little heel on the bottom. Y'all got a little kitten heel. So yeah, I'm doing little heels now because I do have big heels and I just never wear them. So maybe if I get some smaller heels, I'll feel like putting them on. But yes, these are so cute, and they give me like 90s, early 2000s vibes. Next, I have these nude sandal heels. They have like a square block heel on the bottom, and they're nude. And yes, these are so cute, y'all. Next, I have these black strappy sandals. Once again, some more square toe heels. Like, that was just a vibe when I was shopping. I love these. And they have another little heel on the bottom. And yes, y'all, I really like these. Another thing about Shein is their sizing is very accurate. I got size 39s in my heels, and in my last haul you guys saw that I got sneakers and some sandals, and I got 39s in those too, and all those fit perfect. So Shein actually does really good on their sizing. And by the way, a 39, I'm a 7 in women. So yes, these are so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I do have more hauls coming, so if you guys like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on so that you guys don't miss when I post. And yes, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.